There's a million videos online on how to restore headlights, but I'm gonna show you the way I do it. Is it the right way? Probably not, but it's my way, and I get decent results when I do it. So let me show you all the stuff you're gonna need. These are all the stuff you're gonna need to polish your headlight. You're gonna need some gloves, masking tape, polishing pad mount, sandpaper 1500 and 2500, compound, microfiber rags, and a drill. And some water and a rag. So, first thing you want to do, you want to mask around the light on the edge. You don't want to get your buffing pad hitting these edges. If it hits these edges, it's going to take all the paint off. We got the light masked. Now we got to sand it with some 1500. You want to wet the light with some water and you just sand. After you finish sanding it with the 1500, you want to wipe it down. Don't worry, it looks all hazy right now, but it's gonna look better. Okay, we got more sanding, 2500 now. Want to wet the light down again and sand. Look at that. See all that haze coming off? When you sand it with the 2500, you take out all of the 1500 scratch, so it polishes a little faster. I'll get back to this. It's a lot of sanding. We finished sanding with the 2500. We're gonna wipe it off with the microfiber rag. And now we're gonna polish it. Okay. 3 little dabs, that's all you need. Now you're gonna dab it, spread it all over the light. We're going to work on this corner so you'll be able to see the difference. You don't want to press or else you're going to burn the light. You just want to let the pad do the work and keep moving it. There you go. You can see the difference. It's all clear on this side and it's still hazy on this side. So we're gonna put some more compound on the pad and finish the slide up. Now you wipe all the excess compound off. And there you have it, one light, all restored. We got the light finished polishing. It looks pretty good. It has some little pitting, but you could get that out with heavy sanding. but this is fine for me. I'm not going to win car shows or anything. So if you guys like content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we got that manual transmission swap coming, and it's gonna be a good one. Let me say, we have our work cut out. So catch you in the next one.